Everybody loves a good cup of tea, right? But have you tried frankincense tea? At the Frankincense store, we have a wide range of frankincense resins. However, our green, royal, and yellow frankincense resins are the ones that can actually be taken internally. Now, to make frankincense tea, of course, you need a saucepan, something like this size, and I would add some water into the pan. Now, how much water depends on the size of the pan, of course, but however, I would calculate this to be about 4 to 5 mugs of water. I would then bring the pan to the boil, and I would add a small piece of frankincense resin into the pan. So a size of 2 cashew nuts is about fine. So you can see here the resin is inside. And when the water comes to the boil, you would keep stirring the water around so it doesn't get too sticky around the edges. So the water has been boiling for 20 minutes now, or about 15 to 20 minutes. And you can clearly see that the resin has completely dissolved inside the pan. We have about, I would say, if we put 5 mugs of water inside, we have about three and a half cups left. And you can see around the edges, the frankincense is really sticky, and it's, to be honest, it's going to be very difficult to remove this resin. So I would dedicate this pan to the use of boiling frankincense resin to make frankincense tea. Now I will allow the water to cool down, and just off the hob, allow the water to cool down. The smell from this is absolutely fantastic. So just give that about 2 to 3 minutes to cool down, and grab yourself a mug. Be very careful to pour the water into the mug, and once you do, I'll just pour a little bit. You're ready to enjoy yourself a nice cup of frankincense tea.